To make insertion easier, lift your penis with your non-dominant hand, as this will change the S shape of the urethra into a U shape. Slowly and gently insert the catheter into the urethra. It's normal that you feel resistance from the sphincter, so be gentle. When you're about halfway through, release the lift of your penis and continue the insertion. Continue to insert the catheter until the urine starts to flow, and then a bit further. Once the urine begins to drip slowly, remove the catheter.